Hello, my darling kids. Today you are here with me with DP Kids YouTube channel to learn how to make beautiful origami creations. Let's have a look on what are we going to do today. Look at this, a beautiful little fox. Today we are going to make this beautiful fox. Okay, let's see what we need to make this fox. As usual, today I have 2 square papers. Okay, in our craft to make this fox, we have a big paper to make the body and a small paper to make the head. Right. Now, my dear kids, in our previous video, we have made a beautiful, small, cute puppy. This is very similar to that puppy. Only small difference you have to make this little fox. Today you will learn how to make a big difference by making a small difference in your creation. First of all, we are going to make the head. So I have selected a paper which is 15 by 15 in width and length. It has 2 colors on 2 sides, orange and blue. This is very easy. In our previous episode, we made a lotus. This is the same routine. We are going to fold it and make a triangle. This side you have the edge and to your side you have the point. Again, we are going to fold it in half. Then mark the center line. Be careful. Then what we are going to do is take this edge to the center line, taking the right side, right edge to the middle line. Press and doing the same thing to the left side as well. Just like the swan we made. Hope you can remember. Now we are going to make the ears. Just unfold it. Just like the lotus petals. Here I am pasting a nose and 2 eyes. It will be more cute. Right. Now see the same method of folding, but you can make different crafts. Now the same lotus petal, but now we are going to make a fox by that. We made a small difference by pasting 2 eyes. Now see the difference. Okay, now let's see how to make the body, right? When you work on origami, we have different methods to make different creations. And sometimes you can take the basic shape and there is another way of taking the natural body shape, but it depends on your creativity. And today I am going to teach you how to take the basic shape and make it very easily. From our next videos, you can see how to make differences in the same body shape. Let's see how to make the body. Now I have taken a 20 by 20 centimeter paper. I have cut it out of an A4 paper. Now we are going to fold it in half as usual. Okay, press it carefully. As we made a puppy in our previous video, like that, we have to make this. First we make the legs, front legs, same as the puppy. We fold it inwards. Okay, mark the line. Then unfold, then you have 2 legs, then fold the point. Right. Okay, now hands are ready. Then we had a small tail for our puppy, but for the fox, we have to make a bigger tail. I hope that you can remember what fox has, right? Okay, now we are going to insert the body into the face. Now we have done with the fox, but now we have to see what to do with the paper. We have to paste it on the paper. Now I have taken a pink color background paper. You can take any color you want. just apply some glue. First we are applying in the head. Just try to shape it by, yes, if you fold it like this, you can have a 3D look to the head. Now we are going to insert the body and paste it. Hope you can see the 3D look. Right. Be careful with the papers when you are working with the papers. Right. Now we are going to paste the tail, nose. Finally, we are going to apply glue to paste it on our paper. Right. Okay, we are done with the little fox. Also, you can use some other color papers to create some trees, some bushes, just like a small jungle. Then you will have a beautiful fox with a beautiful background on your paper. Let's see. So, my darling kids, you can see what we have done. You can use any color you want, any shape you want, and also you can add some backgrounds to add some drawings and flowers. Then you can finally make a beautiful creation. So you can learn more beautiful crafts with us. So stay tuned with DP Kids YouTube channel. Then, my dear kids, stay safe.